Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly hit that subscription button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for showing some love. So today's video is all about my visit to Victor Habour, and honestly I was so ready for this little escape. So let's get straight into it. I started my day by picking up a car from a hiring company. This is me going to pick it. And let me tell you, this was so amazing. The car was a big machine, as you can see. Yeah? A Toyota Kluger. It's a very comfortable car and then powerful and so perfect for road trips. I chose this car because I've ever driven it before, and it was so comfortable for me to drive it. And then I couldn't go with my own car because my car is kadoo. And it was time now. I did hit the road. Guess what? The excitement I had, oh my goodness. It kicked in even the day before this day, you know. I was so honestly feeling so happy. I was feeling so free, especially from exams, because I've been having a very stressful 3 years. So I was just enjoying the drive, and guess what? Imagine these long drives with music, especially rumba songs. Oh my goodness, ilikuwa ina slap, you know. And then, you know, there's something about road trips that just resets your mind, you know. It feels so good. This is how I was feeling. I know those people who love long drives, who love driving, they feel so good, you know. Unajua kumbe. Anyway, it was so good. It was so fun. I was feeling Look at me here. I was enjoying the music as I took few videos of myself. This one was so amazing and I loved it. After like an hour and a half, finally arrived at Victor Habour. This is what made me know, wow, finally I'm at Victor Habour. And guess what? You could immediately feel the change in weather. Definitely, you know, that cold coastal breeze, which hits very different, you know, fresh air, very calming and so refreshing. Oh my goodness, I was so happy. So upon arrival, I had to park the car and get outside so that we can feel the cool breeze and also the fresh air, you know, after that long drive. And probably, maybe, we take a few photos because you know what? I am a little bit of photophobic, but the lighting was too good to pass up. Like, oh, look at me. Looking like 10 over 10 plus 10 minus nothing. So after that, had to walk around looking for a restaurant that I had seen on TikTok called Nino's Restaurant to grab something to eat. So as you can see, the view of the place was like this, and at this time I was even talking, was saying how I'm feeling good, but I couldn't do the voice because I didn't have microphone, so that's it. And then over there was sip and save, driving, you can go and grab a drink. But unfortunately, when we went to Nino's, we noticed that they were operating in different hours. That is a bit specific because the breakfast was from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then dinner was from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. But in this case, at this time, it was around 2 p.m. So I had to make a booking. Then I come back later. So that's what happened. I did grab some snacks and a drink, of course, to quench my thirst and hunger as I wait for dinner. And I decided to go somewhere else. After that, I went to Victor Habour Holiday Park I was really hoping to swim and enjoy the water slides because I was like, I need to get into the water, you know. But once I arrived here, I was just disappointed, you know. And then I was being told that the facility, for you to use the facility, you have to book a room. That is, it comes as a package. So you have to book the room and then you'll be accessible to use the facility. Oh, I felt so bad. I was like, now I cannot be in a position to swim. Anyway, as usual, nikachukua photo moto. I had to take some few photos. I enjoyed the vibe around there and then moved on. While walking around, I realized there was something very special, that is Christmas pageant led by the Rotary Club of Victor Habour. This is an annual event that brings the community together, and it was honestly so beautiful to watch. There were colorful floats made by local companies and the organization from Victor Habour and surroundings. And imagine, they worked for these for months, which made this event more amazing. It was fun, festive, and full of life.
Good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Chance for me to learn your memories. Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
Merry Christmas.
Give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface, and I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memory?
After the pageant, I went back to Nino's restaurant for dinner. I had pork with roasted potato and veggies and a glass of lemon lime bitters. This food was very simple, delicious, and very satisfying. Later, I headed to sleep.
The next day.
Now, the next morning, I woke up feeling good and headed all the way to Horse Cave. I had a cappuccino and a bowl of granola because you know what? For me, and eating healthy is always a plus. Even if I'm out of city, I'm out of town, I'm out of house, eating healthy is a plus. And honestly, the breakfast was so yummy and delicious. I enjoyed every bit of the granola. And of course, my cup of cappuccino. Kushiba nayo nilishiba jamani, and I was ready for the day. Like, niko na nguvu ya kutembea. After the breakfast, I went to see the horse and took a video with it. But I can't remember the name of the horse. I forgot. But it was so cool. It was he, you know. So I had to take a video and snap myself a few photos as I waited for the horse-drawn tram to return back. Yes. Ndo mimi huyo na mastingo deadly. Finally, the tram arrived, and this was the most amazing moment I have been waiting for. Now, when I was here, I was like, I want now to go in. Like, I wanted to experience how people feel when they are being driven by this horse. Look at it, this was so amazing, is it? Now, here, I think I paid $20 for one-way ticket. If you want two-way, you have to pay $40 to board the tram. That's me now going inside. I was feeling so good. This thing is so amazing. Now, this tram was heading all the way to Granite Island. And off we went towards the Granite Island. Let me tell you, Mina, you see, when I was here, it was so cool. The ocean breeze was breathtaking, refreshing, and just, manze, perfect. I was feeling so good. It was so awesome, a good experience, in fact. It took us around like 10 minutes to be taken all the way to the other end. As you can see, I was trying to zoom so that I can show you guys where we're going. Yes, we're going there. You see? That's the power of Samsung phone.
it out. I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
And guess what, guys? Before I even realized it, we had already arrived at the other side. The experience was honestly so good and amazing. Yeah, I would say that. This is me waiting for everyone to go down so that I can be the last person to be taking some videos. Content creation is crazy. Wow. So this was the place, tramway, and how they charge for adults. Then that was up the hill. But first thing first, I had to walk towards the jetty. Here at the jetty, some people were fishing. I decided to take a few photos and then walked around so that I can capture the Granite Island. You can see the island at the back and jetty.
Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Later, I came here at Granite Island sign and had to take a small video and some few photos of myself so that I can show people I was at Granite Island. After that, I headed up the trail on the hill going up there, and you could see the path where people walk. They're so good. They're constructed well. And guess what, guys? I was so happy. Oh my goodness, this was the best time of my life. Because since I came in Aussie, I haven't been outside and walking and doing all these things like I did today. This was so amazing. So that's why I was so happy. When I got up here, oh, guess what? The breeze, the ocean breeze, it was so amazing. When I say amazing, it was amazing because the breeze was so cool. And then guess what? You see the waves and the sound of the ocean. Imagine the views. You see them waves crashing. Oh my goodness, this was unreal. Anyway, I had to go up because it was fun going up those steps where we're jumping and walking, you know. Yeah, that's how it was. It was feeling so good. I really enjoyed this place and I would really like to go back again. Whenever, I don't know when, but I would love to go back again there.
be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
At some point, I even dared myself to stand on a rock and then take some few photos. This moment was so good, was so cool. And guess what? I think I'm never afraid of heights. Yeah, I'm not. Now, after all that, I came down to the trail. Imagine, it wasn't very long, but guess what? I enjoyed every bit of it. Because why? Look at me. I was full of myself. I was feeling good, by the way, guys. Imagine finishing up your exams and you're done with your 3-year course, uni. And this is you. It's been 3 years of stress, 3 years of I don't even know what to say. So I had all the time. I had all the reasons, to be happy. To keep off from the books, thinking about the assignments, having sleepless nights because you have assignments, you have to go to uni, exams. All those. And then finally, down here, there was this sign of Granite Island, Kaiki. I think it's Kaiki, yep. After a short video, I took some few photos of myself. Yes, photophobic me. Later, I had to walk towards the other side of the ocean. Now this time I was walking slowly, taking a few photos of the drawings here, and soaking in the ocean views and the fresh air, all those kind of things.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. When you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind?
So on the other side, I came across this trooper ride and I decided to test my adrenaline. Sisi tunasemanga hizi ni game za wazungu. But anyway, I think I'm never afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of heights, of course. So for me, dear me, anything that's concerned height, oh, provided it's safe, oh, I'm good to do. I'm good to do it. So then it started. I think, yeah, I paid around $12 for around like 10 minutes, and then it was going up, just starting down, then it goes up, and then the speed increases as it goes. So I was being swung around, and let me tell you, mine, this was pure fun, such a thrilling experience.
Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
And because it was really hot, I think temperature on this day were 38. Yep, I guess 38. So I decided it was time now to cool off my body. Went all the way to Fleurieu Aquatic Center for swimming.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it
I took some few photos outside here, the Fleurieu Aquatic Center, because it looks so nice.
will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
After taking photo moto, I went inside. I paid for the swimming and then headed off to the changing rooms. These rooms, they were so clean and really nice, as you can see. So I did change into my swimming suit, and guess what? This is me on the mirror. Tell me why I was admiring myself in the mirror, like, damn, I'm really in love with my physique. Look at those biceps. Look at those biceps. Oh my goodness, I keep on admiring myself. Because why? I'm admiring myself because I love myself. I am my self-motivator, right? And then it was now time to swim. Let me tell you mine. Immediately I jumped in the water. Jesus Christ. I was feeling like Jesus. Nikakunywa maji kwanza. Oh, it was cold. I think my body was too warm. That's why. But the water was 28 degrees, if I remember. Yep. It was a bit warm. But I was a bit cold compared to my body temperature, of course. Yeah. So I tried to do underwater. Jesus, karibu nizame uko ndani. I really tried to go underwater, but my body, it's been a while before I went to swimming. I felt too heavy and I couldn't hold my breath for long. And I felt bad. But anyway, I tried where I could. I did some few strokes, backstrokes, and yeah, that was it. After about an hour and a half, I got out of the pool and let myself dry. Oh, still admiring myself. Of course, why not? All right, look at that girl. Look at that girl. Am I not giving the vibes, you know? Manzi, najipenda. By around 5 p.m., it was now time to head back to Adelaide. Let me tell you, this trip was everything I needed. You know what? It was fun, very relaxing, refreshing, and full of beautiful moments. I truly enjoyed the moments and I enjoyed myself. And I'm so grateful for this experience, because if I didn't do it, who else will do it for me? So I have to love myself first and I have to take care of myself. Yep, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Then comment down here. Let me know where you would love me to go and visit, because I'm now open to these travel vlogs, you know, having fun, long drives. Yep. Anyway, thank you for watching.